Today we're going to look at a early models Sony CYBER-SHOT. It's an H10. I think it's from 2010, thereabouts. 8 megapixels, 10x optical zoom, pretty large LCD monitor on the back, pop-up flash, see, power button, shutter release, pretty simple functions, automatic mode, program mode, a manual mode, some video, some basic scenes, action, close-up, nighttime, scenery, and the ISO setting. Just a reminder for anyone buying older cameras, especially older Sonys. You know, Sony was committed to this other format for recording their memory stick. I'm just going to pull this out here. It's a 4 gigabyte, so it looks similar to a SD card. However, it will not be readable by any SD card. You know, before this, Sony had these larger sticks here, and they finally have converted to standard SD cards. I have a Sony video camera, which I'm filming this with. It's my only other Sony product, camera product I have. So they finally converted, you know, all of this technology and said, well, we may as well do the SD card like everybody else and make it a little easier. So because of that, and because I buy and look at cameras fairly often, I bought a reader. So I bought a brand new reader just so I could look at my photos and produce these little videos. Okay, now we're going to look at some photos I took with the Sony H10. I kind of really like having this camera around as a dedicated camera. It's smaller than the DSLR, better photos than most phones. I found it handled close-ups really well. Good with a wide range of saturated colors, and great for cat photos. After a few more photos, you'll see a few video clips, just so you can judge for yourself.